Hey guys, now it's time to do the part 2 wash action video, okay? So now it's December 31st, and then tomorrow we'll go into the new year, okay? So I uploaded my part 1 video on 27th, and I planned to do on 31st, okay? So, alright, well, because I just wanted to make the part 1 video for fun. Turn the light on here. Oops. There we go. Now, we'll get this going here. For the wash action running by itself, no clothes, okay? So that's what I plan to do for you guys today. So, we're going to be using the normal cycle, the normal casual cycle, because I'm not going to be doing the casual view. I'm going to be doing just the normal cycle, and we'll go ahead and put that on extra large, and we're going to put this to warm wash. So, and then just one rinse, and then we'll go ahead and put that on normal, okay? So put it right there on 6, because we're gonna do it on 6, so because that way it's not long, okay? So I figure it's been a while since I've shown you, or since I made a video of this washing by itself, since the last time I did it. The last time I did it was when we were moving out of the old house. So that's been a long time ago. That's been a few months ago. And we moved here since August. Okay, so from December, it's been 5 months since we've lived here. Okay, and also sorry for that noise that's going on all over the place. But that shouldn't bother me. But that shouldn't bother you. Okay, sorry, stopped it there just for the noise. I mean, all the noise that was going on, that weird noise that you heard. But it shouldn't bother you. And also, we're going to go ahead and put, I don't know about detergent. So, sorry for the noise, like I said, so that shouldn't bother you, okay? So, alright, well, here we go. We're going to just let that go ahead and fill up, and then let it start agitating with no clothes now, okay? So, alright, here we go, and let's start this up, okay? So, actually also, when the machine is done filling, I'm going to take it for maybe one, like I said, sorry for the noise, but anyway, just for one little quick start and then stop, just like a jerky start, kind of like that, just to see how splashy it is during the extra large loads, and agitate and see how splashy this machine could be, okay? So that's what I'll do, and I'll just leave cap stuff. I'll just leave this which is unscrewed. I'll just leave that just kind of up until the machine is done filling, and then I'll try and take it for just one little agitate motor start, and then I'll stop it to see how splashy it could be in it. And if it's splashy, then you shouldn't be worried about that. You shouldn't worry about that. And actually, like I said, and once again, like I said, sorry for the noise, and it shouldn't bother you. Just pay attention to the wash. Okay? So, alright, well, hope you enjoy it, okay? So, alright, here we go. And remember, it's going to be just with no clothes, because a lot of people wanted to see the washer just agitating by themselves, okay? So we'll just go ahead and let that fill up, okay? So, let it do the full cycle and enjoy it, okay? Alright, no clothes, and no detergent, no nothing. It's still just water agitated. So, alright, well, enjoy. And sorry for the dryer running, just, vibrating before, but that should be okay. I'll do it. Alright, enjoy. This reminds me of when I did it back in the old house. Except the last time I did it was on an extra small load. Whoa. Sorry for that noise. It was just a flashlight that accidentally dropped. So just don't worry about that. It's just a flashlight that accidentally fell down. That accidentally fell down. Okay, so. But anyway, the last time I did it was actually on an extra small load, so it wasn't really that high. So it was kind of splashy during extra small. So it was on extra small. So this reminds me of when I did it back in the old house. The only difference is that it's on the normal cycle and it's using a higher water level. Okay. Okay. It's almost there. Give it one quick view, just one quick start and then stop like a jerk just to see how it agitates, okay? You can see it's kind of shaking kind of moving the agitator back and forth a little bit like that because it's in water, okay? Yeah. Okay, it's almost there, and then we'll give it one quick start and stop. Okay, I think it's done. So now we'll just give it one quick thing, and then see how splashy it is. And then if it's not splashy, then we'll just keep on running. Okay. Well, actually, as you can see, it's splashy, so... Well, actually, as you can see, it's not really splashy, so... Maybe I've actually changed my mind. I thought I'd just run it and see how it agitates, okay? But it's not splashy. Okay, so... Alright, enjoy. flashy is when I just kind of just rotate it back and forth. That's not really, still making kind of the same kind of level of splashing noise. So, well, anyway, it should be okay. So, all right, well, enjoy anyway. Enjoy. And you know, just one more thing before you just get into the rest of the video. We'll see how loud, how dry the pump sounds down there. We'll see how dry it sounds since there's nothing in there, because the last time I did this thing, it sounded kind of pretty dry, so even drier than usual. So we'll see how dry this gets, this pump gets, okay, during the spin cycles, okay. But if it is dry, then that shouldn't bother you, okay. So, but you know, anyway, just once again, enjoy. Let's check this out. Oh, now it's going to drain now. So I think we're ready. notice it sounds a lot different draining than it does without clothes, okay? Now we'll see how dry this pump sounds, okay? We'll see how dry this pump is, okay? When it's emptied out, okay? We'll see how dry it sounds, okay? If it is too dry, then that's normal. But that shouldn't bother you, okay? It does bother me when it doesn't bother me, but it just sounds weird, kind of, to me. But we'll just see how dry it sounds, okay? Now it's pretty much getting emptied out. You can see. And there it goes. You can hear it. You can hear it gurgling. Spin. Sorry the cabinet's making noise, but it shouldn't bother you. There it goes. There it goes gurgling. Why it makes that is because there's no water left in it. It's just all dried out. That's the reason why, because there's no water left in it. But as you can hear, it's gurgling, but it shouldn't bother you. does, and there goes her bits. Enjoy the direction, and okay, well, keep it coming. like I said, pay attention to water. Sorry for the noise again, especially without
That's so hot. Well, my hands are freezing cold now. And do I feel hot? That's good.
Draining a little bit still. Hope that gets out fast enough before this thing stops. Drains out fast. I mean. I'm going to go final spin. Yeah, as you can see, the water's splashing in the stove. It's pretty noisy. Sounds kind of a little bit dry. Still. As you can see, right there, yeah. Sorry the camera, it's kind of shaking because of the cabinet. well, there you have the new view. And once again, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope that was a perfect video. Thanks a lot for watching, and later on.